So David, our IVF and Andrology Lab is essential to what we do here, and yet it is honestly behind closed locked doors. How do you think that affects our patients' perceptions of their care here?
Yeah. Well, I think it has the potential to be both positive and negative. The positive aspect is they understand that we're trying to protect the space for their embryos, and there's a lot of things that are necessary to make that happen. There's also sort of an awe about the technology that's sort of linked to these early stages of human life, and that needs to be protected. But I do think that there's an element where, because the doors are locked and closed, that there's a feeling of separation from that part of the process. And that's not the intent. So I think that we even have that sense of awe of what's going on back in the lab, and many times we don't go back there ourselves for that reason. So I think one of the reasons we wanted to create this video was to take our patients back into that special place and to show them what's going on there without running any risk of harming their embryos. So can you help explain why this lab is such a special place to our team?
Well, we are charged with caring for their eggs, sperm, and embryos. This is, I think they appreciate that we take that very seriously. But that means we have to emulate the environment that eggs, sperm, and embryos interact in, which is an inside the body environment. Inside the fallopian tube is where fertilization happens in nature. So we have to create an environment that maintains the purity of the inside of the human body. And so it's important to us that the people who go back there are only the people who actually need to be in that space, that we control the air quality, that we control the humidity, the temperature, that we select very carefully the fluids that the eggs and sperm and embryos are in, that we control the incubator conditions. I mean, there is a lot that we have to do that means that the lab will be an environment that they will never have an opportunity to be in, but that we want them to understand how careful we're being with their gametes.